Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley if you're new here. I thought it would be so fun today if we just dove right in and went right into the fall makeup tutorial for this year. I absolutely love fall and I can't wait for it to finally be fall because it's one of my favorite seasons, especially because of all the beautiful leaves and all the colors and all the fashion. I love it so much. I've just been super excited. I've already had 3 pumpkin spice lattes and it's only like September 3rd or something crazy. If you'd like to see what I create, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe down below, and you can also follow me on Instagram. So today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, and I know that I use this palette so often, but I honestly just love it so much. I go to this palette every day and it's just one of the ones that I always gravitate towards, so I just really love it and I definitely recommend it. I'm not sure what look I want to do today, but I'm definitely feeling like this section right here, like all the dark browns and like reds and kind of like maroon colors, so I think that's where I'm going to go today. So more of like a brownie red tone kind of look. I don't know, I just really like this section right here and it's really calling my name for fall, so I think that's what I'm going to go with. Okay, so the first color I'm going to go in with is this color right in the center of the palette, and it is just sort of a medium orange, like burnt orange shade. And I'm picking that up on my Morphe M513, and I'm just going to go ahead and start building the shape that I want. So I'm going to blend this right into, that is so pigmented, right into the outer portion of my lid. Kind of just stamping it right there and then bringing it towards the center of my lid, and I'm only going halfway. Next, I'm going to go in with the transition shade just to blend it out, and I'm using this one right here, which I use all the time. You can probably tell because I've hit pan, and it's just the third one in on the top row, and I'm picking that up on my Morphe R37 brush. I'm going to use this to blend out the bright orange, so I'm just going to take that and blend right above that orange, but with this color I'm going to be taking it all the way down into the inner corner right here. Going back in with the Morphe M513, this is just a brush that we used with that bright orange color. I'm just going to use this just to bring back that orange shade a little bit in the outer corner, just with whatever is left over on the brush. Next, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite shades from this palette, and it's one of these pukey brown shades, as Jaclyn calls it. So it's just the shade right above that orange shade that we use, and it's this sort of yellow toned brown. So I'm going to pick that up on my Morphe. I think this is M113. The number's kind of rubbed off, but you can see that it's a slightly tapered blending brush. And I'm going to be blending this just right below where we put that orange shade in the outer portion of the eyelid. Like literally just like the first third of our eyelid, and I'm also going to be dragging it down onto the actual eyelid. So next I'm going to go in with my shimmer shade, and there's so many beautiful options in this palette. I'm just going to go with a mix between this really light champagne color and then this lighter bronze color. And I'm going to apply it on, that's so pretty, on the center of my eyelid. And then moving towards the inner corners. I'm going to pick up a mixture between that kind of burnt orange shade that we used at the beginning. So I'm going to mix that with this really, really bright orange that you can see right diagonal to it. And I'm basically just taking this shade, and I picked up a very small amount of it. I'm just going to pat it between my eyelid, between the shimmer and the mattes, just as a sort of diffusing color. So I'm going to go back in with that super bright orange shade here, and I'm going to mix it together again. And this is on my MAC 228. It's just a super tiny detail brush, and I'm going to use this to line my lower lash line from the outer corner to the center. And this is so pigmented, it's insane. I'm going to pick up this kind of pukey brown color that we have in our crease already, and I'm going to use this to blow out that bright orange that we just put right below, and make sure that you connect everything to the upper shadows. So I'm just going to apply some mascara and lashes off camera. For mascara, I'm just using the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. And then for lashes, I'm using these Kiss lashes that I really love. These are just the Blowout. And they're just really wispy and beautiful, so I'm going to use those for my lashes. So I'll apply this and I'll be right back. So I thought about applying a nude lip, but then I was like, that's going to be like what everybody would do. So I thought that a combo between these two lip colors would be pretty cool. So this is Jeffree Star's Cosmetics Unicorn Blood, and it's just this very, very dark, like blood red. And the next one is MAC's Retro Matte in Feels So Grand, and it's just this really beautiful, like perfect blue tone. Focus. And it's just this really beautiful, like perfect blue tone red shade. So I thought a mixture between these two would be, hopefully, would look really good with this look. So the first thing I'm going to do is take Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star and use it almost as a lip liner and just line my lips with it. Whew. So you can see it's a very dark, like gothy, sort of like blood red tone, and I love it. It's so unique. I think it's so cool. Okay, so I basically use that to line my lips, and then I'm hoping that if I go in with this in the center, it will make a really nice sort of ombre effect. I'm hoping that the Unicorn Blood isn't too dark for this though. We'll see. So I'm just going to go in the center and sort of blend it in. So yeah, I know that this lip is definitely very dramatic, but I think that wearing a red lip during the fall and winter is just so much fun, and definitely the time to do it. I think that a red lip is so beautiful on so many different people, and yeah, I just really love this one, especially the MAC Feels So Grand liquid lipstick is just the amazing red. It's a lot brighter than what I have on right now because I have a mixture between Unicorn Blood. So I think even if you didn't want to go this dramatic, you could definitely even just do Feel So Grand, and that would be so beautiful. So I'm just taking off my liquid lipstick because I wanted to show you guys another lip option, and this is probably honestly how I would wear this makeup look, just because that looks hilarious, just because it's so dramatic and orange on top. I don't think I would necessarily wear a red lip. So I just want to show you what I would wear. So for me personally, if I was wearing this eye look, I'd probably go in with Jeffree Star's Celebrity Skin or Mannequin. Today I'm going to go in with Celebrity Skin, and I love it just because it's sort of like a, it's a nude, but it's a brown tone nude. I'll show you. So I think it really still looks appropriate and really fall-like, but it's just a little bit more toned down so that you don't have too much going on. So there you have it, guys. This is probably the lip that I would wear with this eye makeup look. Personally, just because we have a lot of oranges and reds going on up here, I want to tone it down with a neutral on the lip. But both ways I think are beautiful, and makeup is about having fun and expressing yourself, and there are no rules to makeup. So do whatever you want to do when it comes to lip and eye combinations. And yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're still watching right now, please don't forget to subscribe down below. I had so much fun recreating this, and I can't wait for fall. Let me know if you want another fall makeup tutorial, maybe in a different color. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!